अगर तुम ये वीडियो देख रहे हो तो let me guess, you are a student, you are broke, you have probably 200 rupees in your pocket, तुम्हारे पास 2 समोसे खरीदने के लिए पैसा है and that is it. Or you are working in a part-time or maybe even a full-time job, your salary is shit, you are getting paid in fucking coal mine slave labor money and you fucking hate your job. That is why in this video मैं तुम्हें सिखाऊंगा how you can actually make money as a broke college student with 0 rupees without investing fucking $10,000 into bitcoins or waiting 60 years for your index fund to grow. Fuck that shit. Now before we start the video, let me introduce myself. My name is Anashrut. I used to be a freelance copywriter. Now I'm in high ticket sales and I have nothing to sell you. I don't need your money. So let's start. Number one, master a skill. So you have to learn a skill. Now don't just learn any skill. Learn a skill that you actually like, something that you actually enjoy doing. Oh, I want to start dropshipping. I want to start an SMMA agency. Nah, bro. Do something that you're passionate about. Do something that you don't have to force yourself to do. What is it that you enjoy that nobody pays you to do, yet you still do it anyway? ऐसी चीज ढूंढो जो तुम बारंबार करते रहते हो, even though तुम्हें एक भी पैसा नहीं मिलता वो करने से. Do that skill, learn that skill and master it. I don't care कि तुम्हें drawing बनाना है, you want to be a photographer, you want to be a videographer, you want to be a content creator, you can even sell chai, you can monetize anything right now. So it doesn't matter your skill level, as long as you master it, you're good. What I don't want you to do is learn a skill for 2 weeks and then drop it and then go jump into another skill. Don't fucking do that shit. 90% लोग वो क्या करते हैं कि 2 हफ्ते के लिए they learn one skill and then the next week they're going to another skill and then the next week they're going to another skill. Don't do that shit. वो मत करना है. If you do that, that is a guaranteed way to be broke for the rest of your life. Number two, start saying no. If you are a college student, you are going to have a lot of distractions in your life. You're going to have party invitations, you're going to have friends, you're going to have like picnics and shit. I don't know, whatever the fuck bullshit. But you have to learn to say no to every one of them. You need to keep the main thing the main thing. You cannot be wasting your time on some playing fucking PUBG and all that bullshit. Don't do that shit. Your priority right now is to get rich. Everyone else can get on the sidelines. After you get rich, you can do whatever the fuck you want. But right now, you need to keep the main thing the main thing. You need to focus on mastering your skill. You need to focus on learning and maximizing your earning potential. The only thing that you can say yes right now is girls. Hey, I want to meet you. If a girl texts you like that, or if तुम्हें वो लड़की पसंद है, then fine. You can go meet her, okay? It's not that big of a deal. It's just 1 hour every once a week, whatever. It doesn't matter. You need to learn to have some fun, but don't be partying, don't be fucking drinking alcohol, playing PUBG and wasting your time on all that shit. That is a waste of time. Keep the main thing the main thing. Number three, start with the lowest hanging fruit. Now, what do I mean by that? Now, a lot of you people have unrealistic expectations about the kind of money you are going to be earning. So most of you expect that, oh, you're going to be earning lakhs and lakhs in your first month and you're going to be drowning in pussy. That's not how it works. If you want to get paid the big bucks, you need the big skills. And that is not going to happen in the first year. It's simply not. Let me just break your reality right now. Unless you're fucking Jeff Bezos or fucking Elon Musk, I don't know about that, you're probably not going to be earning lakhs in your first month. So you need patience. You need to start with the lowest hanging fruit. Find jobs that is in your skill level. I don't give a fuck if they're only paying you 500 rupees per month. You have to go do it. You're not doing it for the money. You're doing it to learn skills. Even me personally, I had to work in a low paying job in the beginning in order to learn the skills that I want. I had to sacrifice a job that was paying me high money, but that was not aligned with my future goals. So I had to actually take the pay cut and work in that lower end job which supported my skill set in the future. Number four, assume luck is not real. तुम्हारा mentality ये होना चाहिए कि you are the unluckiest person in the whole world. Don't even think you're lucky. Think you are the most unlucky motherfucker in the whole planet right now. That's what I want you to think. This means you're not gonna be buying any meme coins, you're not gonna be crypto, you're not gonna be day trading, none of that shit. You will not buy any lottery tickets. Assume luck is not real. Forget about shortcuts. Skip the elevator. Sini charo. Sini charo, climb the stairs, take the long way, take the hard way, and assume that you will never get lucky. And the only way you can get out of that miserable, unlucky situation is by working hard. That is what your mentality needs to be right now. तुम्हें एक बात समझना पड़ेगा कि अगले 2-3 साल में you are going to be living like shit. So you're going to be wearing the same clothes, the same t-shirt, the same pants, the same shoes, and you will not be partying, you will not be going out with your friends. For the next 2 to 3 years, you are going to be a brokey, and that's completely fine. If you want to build high, remember, तुम्हें जितना लंबा बिल्डिंग बनाना है तो तुम्हें बेस में उतना काम करना पड़ेगा. So you need to build your fucking base. And if you build that base long enough, and only then you can build high and you can maximize how much money you're going to be making in the future. Okay, so for the next 2 to 3 years, you're going to be living like shit, and that's completely fine. Right, that is the end of the video. अगर तुम्हें video पसंद आया तो click the like button. If you don't like it, dislike it, you fucking pussy. I'll see you in the next video.